welcome back. My name is Brittany if you're new, and today's video is something a little different on my channel. I travel pretty frequently for work, and one thing I always have with me when I travel is my tote bag. I love how much space a tote bag has because I can carry all my carry-on items in it as well as things I need later on in the week for my meetings or conferences. If you have a tote bag, you know that they get pretty junky pretty fast. So when I was researching things like organizers and organizing tips, I didn't really see anything that stood out to me until I came across this one product, and I have to say, since I've ordered it, it has changed my organization game 100%. I want to share with you guys the ToteSavvy Deluxe. If you've heard of ToteSavvy, you know that they make a line of organizers to turn your purse into a diaper bag or diaper bag organizers, but this one they made specifically for the on-the-go commuter, traveler, girl boss, whatever you call it, so that you have everything you need to get the job done. So if you or someone you know needs some organizational hacks, then this is the video for you. Just keep on watching. First thing that I like to bring on my trip is my Louis Vuitton wallet. I just like to bring this because it functions as a wallet as well as a wristlet, and I can clip my keys to it if I need to, and I don't have to carry around this big purse all day. I can leave it in the room or leave it in my trunk if I want, and I can just carry this as its own little purse. Next, I have a big blank notebook. This is a Ray Dunn one because I'm a Ray Dunn lover. It just has nice big lines in the page so I can take a bunch of notes or lists, and it's the size of a piece of paper so that I can hold handouts or sheets that I need to bring. And then I have my planner. I prefer the vertical layout because I like to break out my day either by morning, lunch, and evening, or by the type of activity like work, blog, or play, just depending on each week, depending on what I have to do. And the star of the show, obviously, is my ToteSavvy Deluxe. And this is in the lavender color. This baby keeps me so organized. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So one of the main features of this little organizer is this insulated pouch right here. This is one of the highlights. If you travel a lot or you just love snacks like I do, you're gonna love this insulated pouch. It has a wipeable material similar to lunchboxes you would get for kids, so you can put anything you want in here and it'll keep it cold or hot. It's very insulated. If something were to spill, it'd be easy to wipe out and clean. You can spray some bleach in there, wipe it out with a wet towel, and you're good to go. Following up by that, we have the water bottle portion. You can buy your own water bottle, or I bring my own custom water bottle that kind of matches the whole theme of it here. So keep it in this little pouch right here, and you have your lunch and your water. And then over on this side, we got 4 pouches here for you to do whatever you want, as well as a cute little rose gold detail on the key ring, so you can keep your keys right here. It just unhooks, simple as that. So right here we have a card holder, and this is my Girl Boss card holder. The next pouch down here, I have a few necessities. I have my lip gloss here, the Fenty Beauty. I have a chapstick just in case my lips get a little chapped. And I have a hand lotion, that way I can make sure these all are within reach. And my little pouch. Next up right here, I have a pencil bag. So this is my pencil bag and my Apple Pencil. In here I just have a few other pens and writing utensils that I need for the planner. And I like to keep my Apple Pencil in here in case I need to whip it out. Just fold it up in there. So for this pouch right here, I don't really have anything in it right now. At my last convention I went to, I put in a bunch of free swag from all the exhibitor tables, like free pens, free little trinkets, keychains. I put that all in there. But you could honestly fill this up with whatever you want. You could fill it up with a computer charger if you're bringing your laptop with you. You could put more snacks in there. You could put dog treats. It could be another drink holder if you have water but you want something else, like a thermos of coffee or a travel mug. Honestly, there's so many pouches on here that everything has a place, and you could just use this as free space if you wanted to make sure you don't junk up your purse. Alright, so we got these pockets down. Let's move on to the next feature. So right here we have a little bit of a technology pocket, you could say. Right now I put in my 12.9-inch iPad Pro, but you could put in a smaller laptop, maybe like the MacBook Air. It's got some room thickness wise, so you could put a pretty thick laptop in there, or you could put it in a Surface tablet or magazines if you just like to catch up with the latest gossip like I do. It has a fleece-lined pocket, so if you do decide to put in some technology or electronic pieces, it'll keep it nice and protected, and it has a magnetic clasp closure to keep it safe and secure. On the other side, we have 3 more pockets. I told you this had a lot of pockets, I wasn't lying. This pocket right here, I use it as a phone pocket, quick and easy access when it's in my tote bag. I can see my phone sticking out of it, and I don't have to wonder if I brought my phone with me or if I lost my phone or whatever. Down here underneath there is a smaller little pouch. Right now I keep my headphones in there, as well as the little charger brick for my phone charger, and the charging cord is in there. And in here we have the last big deep pocket. I keep a book in here because I love reading, especially if I'm commuting somewhere. I like to have a good book with me. You could also keep a few other things in here since it is so big. If you had a wallet, you could keep it in there. If you're running errands and you have like shopping bag or small items, you could keep them all in here. One of my favorite things about this pouch is that you could put a full-size pair of headphones in the pouch without even breaking them down. I hope you guys enjoyed this glimpse inside of the ToteSavvy Deluxe. I'm going to include all the links you need in case you want to pick this baby up yourself down in the description box. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.